Hi everyone, it's Heather. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all of our recent videos. We are here at the Wildwoods in New Jersey and we are going to ride the tram car. But first, here are some of our favorite snacks on the boardwalk. And our first stop is Curly's Fries, and this is their newest location and it's actually made from shipping containers, so that's really cool. This is right past the Wildwood Convention Center, so that's where we started. You saw that in the clip before, and we're just making our way down the boardwalk. We are attempting to get to the other end, however it is a cold and rainy day. Next stop, this is located right outside of the Boardwalk Mall, is Chillin' Pineapple. They opened about 5 years ago, and we love getting the Chillin' Pineapple, and that's here. We got raspberry Dole Whip inside. You can pick other flavors. This is refreshing and delicious, and I love it. It's not cheap, but good. If you know anything about the Wildwoods Boardwalk, you know that there is this unspoken rivalry between Max, which is here, and the next one coming up, Sam's. You might like one more than the other. You might hate them both. You might like them both. Let me know, because there are lots of boardwalk pizza places and we've tried a bunch of others. But this day we stuck to Max and Sam's. We were a group of 9. Some of us prefer Sam's, me, and others prefer Max, my husband. So it's a mix. And it is a weird cold day, so we did not make it past Sam's. We actually finished up at Sam's and got the tram car. To put it in perspective, it was just in the 90s, 3 to 4 days in a row before this, and this is the end of June.
What do you think? Excited?
All right, perfect. That was easy. There you go.
Yeah.
What? You're on the tram car. It's like a fast ride, right? Good plan. And he's going to pull the whole thing over. All right. No.
They're hooking it up.
Don't be scared. We're giving you a new bag. All right?
Watch the tram car, please. Watch the tram car, please. Watch the tram car, please. Watch the tram car, please.
You like it? Is it fun? So good. Cool? Yeah? It's a spinning ride, yeah. Yeah, look at that. It's a beach. Great.
We're stopping. What do you think of it?
Is it fun?
Here we have your stroller, right? Do you like this?
Sitting in the chair, yep. Yeah, it's comfy. Dogs out there now, though, baby. Waving to everybody. Good. Look at that. Oh, look at those rides.
Watch them, guys. I guess I'm sure there's in the soccer. Here we go.
That's why we watch the Tram Car.
Okay, it's 5 per person.
The brakes are just a little concerned. What? Oh, look at the French fry. What? Oh, it's count. Are you counting? It's the letters, yeah. Yeah, you eat the French fries? Yeah. Pretty good? You gonna eat the big one? I don't think you can eat that big one. You can? Oh, okay. That is a big French fry, huh? A cheeseburger. You want to take that French fry? I think it's has to stay there. You want to take it? Yeah? What are you going to do with it if you get it? You going to eat it up? Oh my goodness. That's a big French fry.
Yeah, look at it.
You saw Poppy? Oh, okay. Because someone else needs to get off.
Are you guys together? Any more?
Yeah? Yeah, you have your hood up? Good. You really like this ride? Yeah. I love this ride. Bye. Go faster. You can't go faster. You're going fast enough. Hey, you need them to go faster? You in a hurry or something? It's not a roller coaster.
Ready to win. There's always a winner, always a prize, any size, any price. Who's gonna be on
You going right in there? Yeah, it went up and down, huh? You think you would ride that slingshot? Yes? I don't think so. That I would not ride that. That's scary. You will? Okay. Yo, ice cream. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, there's a monster truck over there. You're right. Yeah, it's a monster truck. Yeah, look at that. See, look at it. That's cool, huh? Yeah, big, oh, hi, monster truck. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, that one had arms out. It's giving you a hug.
Tram Car Please. Watch the 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 Tram Car Please.
Please take a few seconds and make sure you subscribe to our channel and like this video. Thank you so much for watching.